Remember all the things we wanted, all the memories that haunted. We were always meant to say goodbye.
You're right, bud. It's time. It's okay, bud. I was so busy fighting for a world that I wanted.
Didn't come here to hurt you. Now
I didn't think about what you needed.
Oh,
you're full of surprises. You never cease to amaze me, bud. You are amazing.
One day you'll have to snip those apron strings and let Toothless stretch his wings.
Go on, bud. Lead them to the hidden world. I'm not gonna let anything happen to you. I promise. You'll be safe there. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Safer than you could ever be with me.
Looking at you makes it harder, but I know that you'll find another.
You belong there. With her.
You've
looked after us for long enough. Time to look after yourselves.
You know that I love
It's okay.
you so.
I love you too. It's okay.
I love you enough to let you
We should go. And I want you to be free.
I want you to know that it doesn't matter where we take
Hey, Toothless. Hey, good morning, bud.
Someone's gotta go.
Go, Toothless.
And I want
You
to
are my best friend, bud.
You couldn't have loved me better, but I want you to move on.
My best friend.
So I'm already gone.
With love comes loss, son. It's part of the deal.
So I'm already gone.
Sometimes it hurts, but in the end, it's all worth it. There's no greater gift than love.
Remember all the things we wanted, now all the memories that haunted. We were always meant to say goodbye.